Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by prepping the machine and safety checks. Drain old water if present, then fill the tank to the recommended mark with distilled water to prevent scaling. Once done, secure the tank cap, attach the hose and chosen nozzle, and make sure all clamps click into place. Power the unit on and let it pressurize while you watch the pressure gauge. This initial sequence brings the boiler to operating pressure and prevents surprises during use. Once the indicator shows ready, test a short burst on an inconspicuous area to confirm heat and pressure. Move in steady, overlapping passes. Hold the nozzle about 1 to 2 inches from the surface to avoid damage. For stubborn grime, use a concentrated tip and higher steam setting, but make sure to switch to a brush or pad attachment for textured surfaces. Also, vent steam between passes to let surfaces cool and to prevent trapped moisture from causing streaks or damage. To finish, switch off and follow the depressurization steps. Trigger the steam output until pressure drops, then unplug and allow the boiler to cool fully before opening the tank. After cooling, empty remaining water, wipe dry, and store with accessories detached. If you encounter low steam or sputtering, make sure the tank is filled, remove and clean or replace the nozzle and any inline filters, and descale the boiler if flow remains weak.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.